My name is Nobuo Nishioka from East Japan Railway Company. The title of my presentation is Japan MaaS use case. Sorry, using Suica card. Next slide, please. Next slide, please. Okay, so this is the content of today's presentation. Next slide, please. First, I want to introduce the outline of JR East. JR East is the passenger railway company. We have high-speed train, metropolitan train, and regional train. Our business area covers eastern part of Japan, as shown here. The company data is also mentioned in this slide. Next slide, please. There is business consists of mainly three pillars. First is transportation service. This is quite simple for railway companies. That is, we have high-speed train service and conventional train service. And the next one is lifestyle service. For some people, this might sound very strange and unique. So this pillar is that the business, like the shopping mall in the stations or near the stations or office buildings, and also kindergartens, station kiosks, and water vending machines, and so on. Every business relate to the stations. That is lifestyle service. And the last one is IT and Suica service. This is a service, e-ticket or payment service with Suica card, and also credit card business. And we have also a reward program called JR Point. Next slide, please. From here, I want to talk about the Suica itself. What is Suica? Suica is a tool enabling a seamless experience in transport-related service. When a customer have a Suica card, he or she doesn't have to find their paper ticket when they take train, or they don't have to find their wallet when they buy something. Instead, so you can just tap your Suica card, even either the ticket gate or the reader writer of so e-money terminal, and so on. Next slide, please. So this is a kind of Suica history. Suica service started in 2001 as e-ticket. Now, after that, Suica card was integrated with credit card or a smartphone. The smartphone service is called Mobile Suica. Now it supports Apple Pay or Google Pay. And Suica is used as e-ticket, e-money, and personal authentication. And the last one might be very important for now. Suica has become the important tool that helps MaaS service of JR East. And one note in the table below that as for e-ticket, with just Suica, with just one Suica card, user can use it as pay-as-you-go service, or commuter pass, or season pass, or high-speed train. Next slide, please. And from here, I'm going to talk about the master world Suica made. Actually, Suica started 2001, as I mentioned, but when the service service started, it was only for the purpose of taking a train. For user prospect, it was just a seamless movement. And another thing of MaaS step 1 is that in the step 1, Suica was only for JR East business area. And as for MaaS step 2, that was 2004 when Suica e-money service launched. So in addition to the seamless movement in the step 2, seamless payment became available. But as the step 1, so this service was only in JR East business area. So next big turning point is 2013, when Suica became interoperable service between major cities. That was MaaS step 3. So before the MaaS step 3, Suica service was only in JR East business area, but after 2013, Suica was available in major cities in Japan. Seamless movement and seamless payment were possible after 2013. And now, so we are in the MaaS step 4 level. Next slide, please. Before proceeding MaaS level 4, I want to explain the smart card interoperable service in Japan briefly. Actually, in Japan, currently 10 public transport operators in major cities issue their own smart card. They became interoperable with the smart card in 2013, but only pay-as-you-go service and e-money service. And the 10 cards shown in this slide are the interoperable smart cards currently in Japan. Next slide, please. So back to JR East MaaS step 4. Suica so far was only either JR East area or for major cities, but in MaaS step 4, we started to focus on local areas or local MaaS operators. So this map is a business area of JR East. Even in JR East business area, there are some MaaS operators whose services are independent with each other, but they want to have a liaison partnership with Suica. Actually, last March, we started a new MaaS liaison, and next March, we will have 4 more MaaS liaison plans. Actually, next slide, please. How to achieve the MaaS liaison of JR East is shown here. Actually, JR East made a bus platform for local MaaS operators so that they can reduce the initial cost of e-ticket service. Actually, the local MaaS operators are not so rich, and their main PT is usually a bus service. Therefore, JR East developed a bus platform, and so that they can start each gate service easily. And one thing here is that a specific Suica for bus platform is required. This is not so expensive Suica card. The spec is just different from normal Suica card. And the picture in this slide is what JR East hoped as the good MaaS bus platform ecosystem. So JR East made a bus platform, and with that platform, MaaS operator seek liaison with Suica. The MaaS operator implement JR East bus platform, and the Suica cover more area, and JR East this platform became more popular, and so on. So this is what we think the ideal bus platform ecosystem. Now, actually, so JR East hopes that this platform activates local MaaS service and eventually Suica service itself. Next slide, please. What experience that MaaS service enables is a seamless experience for both bus platform Suica and normal Suica. This is the comparison table of normal Suica and bus platform Suica from MaaS perspective. In addition to normal Suica service, it is available for bus platform service operators to have their own local service with their bus platform Suica, such as the entry discount of museums, and the free coupon of local restaurant, and so on. But with normal Suica service, customers can use the Suica like mobile Suica service, and auto top up is available. And normal Suica service is partially available in local area, so as pay as you go. So no problem for the customers just to use public transportation. So our purpose of this platform is to activate a seamless experience, not only JR East area, but also within Japan with just one Suica card. Next slide. That's all of my presentation. Thank you for your attention.